In the last video, we were working on the Facebook single sign-on. So for that, if we switch back to our application and we'll open up Solution Explorer, we have already added the package. It's time to add or register that in our startup.cs. So for that, we'll have to stop the application and we can go at the very end here. What we will do is we will add services.addAuthentication. Since we have added the package for Facebook, here you will see a method to add Facebook. Within here, we have to configure the options. So what options we want to configure? If we go back to the application for Facebook Developer, and if we go on settings here, basic, we will see the key and secret. So we have the app ID, we need to pass this. Let me copy that and we'll register it right here. So we'll say options.appid. This will be equal to the key that we copied. Next we have is options.appSecret. So let's go back and copy our app secret. We'll enter our password and then we can copy the app secret. Let's go back and paste it right here. This way we are adding the ID and the secret that is needed to make the connection to this particular API for single sign-on. And that's basically everything that we had to do in our application. Everything else is taken care by ASP.NET Core. If you have to add Google, you'll have to add the NuGet package, register it on Google, and add a block like this for Add Google. Let's give this a try and see what things are different now. In here, if you go to Login now, you see a button for Facebook already enabled. If you go to Register here, you can see we have used another service to register, which is Facebook. Let's see what happens when you click here. It redirects you to the Facebook, and then it says Rocky Demo will receive your name, profile picture, and email address. We will continue here, and once you continue, you see it redirects us back to the URL. Right here, you see register and associate your Facebook account. You have successfully authenticated with Facebook. Please enter an email address and register. Now this is working right now, but previously it was not able to redirect back here. For that, what change you had to do was if you go to Facebook Login and inside settings, we have to set the valid OAuth redirect URI. And this was nothing but we'll copy this URL and we'll paste it here and we will append signin-Facebook. Make sure this is signed in. Once we have that, it will look for this URL to redirect back once everything is authenticated. So with that, let me switch back to the application. Before we complete the registration here, we have to make few changes. The changes that we have to make is when we register a regular user, we have more fields that we take from user, like their full name and phone number. So let's add more properties inside this page and then register using our Facebook. Now where exactly is this page? You can see here it is inside the identity area, account folder, and then there is a page called external login. So let's make changes inside the external login in the next video before we hit the register button. But make sure you do not hit the register button right now. We want to make some changes before we proceed there.